So glad you guys are here. Come on in.
Too.
This looks great.
I'm excited for you guys to finally meet her.
I'm not looking forward to this.
Better get used to it. It's the future.
Come on, sexy lady. Meet RoboKaren.
Wow. Nice to meet you.
She's pretty hot.
Yeah, she is.
No, I mean literally. If I leave her on for more than 4 hours, she overheats. Want a beer?
Yes.
All right.
No, you can have so much fun. So much fun. Ow. How did you do that?
So, did you vote? Cool. Oh, you want his Xanax? Cheers.
It's literally the best relationship I've ever had. I've never been with someone who listens so well.
I love how shrill she isn't.
Right?
Well, if I'm being honest, it's not the first time I've talked to someone with no opinions. Just having a problem with this whole top deck vagina thing. Oh, God.
When I'm done with her, I just turn her off.
She's like a dream.
A dream that never loses suction.
Dude, you are on fire with the jokes tonight. Classic.
Maybe it would be great just to have it out there, just blowing in the wind. What do you do when you get annoyed at him and you don't want to have sex? You fake it? Genius! High five.
I just turn her off.
No, you know what? Fuck this! You deserve better! I'm getting you out of here. It's okay, I helped a Dyson Airblade start a new life in Minneapolis.